Hello everyone. Am I audible to all of you? Am I audible? Okay. So today we are going to make our website. So till now we have learned about HTML. We have learned about CSS. And today we are going to make a website. Okay, we are going to develop a website from the scratch just by using HTML and CSS. Okay, so today we are going to make a project that is just like one website page, and you will have a homework after that that you have to complete this this website. Okay, so should we start? Okay, so first of all we have to make our web page. So for making web page we need HTML file, right? So first thing is always doc type HTML and then we are going to start HTML. Okay, and here basically we don't need here because this is already there, so we don't have to tell that what the document type is. Okay, so after this I hope everyone knows what like what am I doing here, right? So this is very basic structure. This is a basic structure. So we are going to make an a website related to education. So we'll just use education. Okay, so title, and then we are going to close our we have to basically we have to link our CSS file also. So I'll do that right now only. Okay, so this is going to be style sheet. Okay, and the type is going to be text CSS, and then link of the file is going to be style.css. So basically I have already made one style.css file here, and these are, here is my style and this is my HTML file, and these are the images that I am going to use in my website. Okay, for my website here. So we have linked our CSS file, and now let's close our head tag. Okay, and now let's work on our website's body. So in website body I am going to have, so here like I already have some plan and some idea like what I'm like what I like I'm going to make. So I am going to give the classes name that I have already planned for, and here we have to make header also, right? So I'll just write here header. Okay, so that you know that what we are working for now. So div, and we are going to give class, and this is going to be header. Okay, spelling, I need to keep spelling check. Okay, so header, and inside this I'm going to have another div, and its class I'll just name it as header left. Okay, header left. And here I am going to give an anchor tag. Okay, and I will give HTTPS HTTPS, let's say the Dhruvon's www.dhruvon. Okay, and the target is going to be underscore blank, so that whenever somebody clicks on this link, so the link should open in new tab. So here for opening this, I'm going to add an image. Okay, I'm going to add an image. So the image is going to be, yeah, here logo 1, and the extension is JFIF. Okay, so this is logo1.jfif. okay, and I'll just give some size to it. So width is going to be 231 and height is going to be 61. Let's say it is, let's see, it is going to stretch. And now I'm going to end my anchor tag. So let's see, and let's close our body, our web page body, and now just close our HTML tag. Save. Okay, body, now HTML tag, and save. And let's see what's this. So here we have got our image, and when I click on this image, so here the link should open, but I guess the okay, so the link is wrong here, HTTPS. And now when I refresh, and now when I again, so now it's yeah, so now it is taking us to our Dhruvon website. Fine. Okay, got. So this much is working, right? Okay, so now let's move on. So now I have to close this outer div, because this div, header left div. Okay, and then this was for div left, right? So I am going to write for class header right, and inside it we are going to add some unlisted, well, unordered list. Okay, so what are the list items here? So I am going to add some link. Here I don't have any link, so I'll just keep it empty. We have to make well, this is for home. Okay, so we have to make another page, home, and then we have to link that page here. So right now this is actually your homework, so we are going to just make this home page. And now for like for home, for about us, and all those things, you have to make the pages for like for all the services and contact text, blogs, all those things, and then you have to connect all these pages to this page. Okay, so next is going to be, I'll just copy and paste, just give me a second. So here home, after home we need about us. Okay, then I'll just, okay, so after about us, let's have services, then we must have gallery. Okay, then we have blog, and then we have contact us. Okay, and yeah, okay, great. So now let's end our unlisted, well, unordered list. Okay, and then end our div here. Div. Okay, let's save and refresh. So here we have our links. Okay, why we have these underlines here? Because we are adding this link, but we don't have any link here. So click here. Okay, I can do one thing. Let me just wait. I'll just go to Dhruvon's website here. Just give me a second. We can, use this is home, right? This is basically home. So this is home. I'll go to home and I will paste this link basically here in home. Okay, done. And let's go to about us. So okay, so here when you click on this, so and we have services. So for services we have courses, copy, and here paste, and then we have gallery here instead of gallery. Okay, so let's leave gallery, then we'll go to blog, copy, and just paste the link for blog, and then we have contact us, and then we are going to connect all these pages to our current website. Okay, save. So now when I refresh, okay, so now when I refresh, so all these links, okay, I need to do one more thing. I need to give target for each and every anchor tag, so that each and every page opens in new tab. Save and refresh. Go back. Now services is opening in new tab, blog is opening in new tab, and all these are linked to our Dhruvon's pages. Okay, so either you make your own home pages, about us, and services. Basically you have to make your own pages for all these and then connect those pages here. So I am using all the links from Dhruvon website. Okay, so I have connected all those pages from Dhruvon, but you have to make all these pages and connect them here. Okay, okay, great. So this is the basic list we have done. Okay, so now we have to end our main div. Close our main div. Okay, done. And now this is the end of our header. Basically this is the end of our header menu. Let me see. Yeah, let me just, this is end of our header. Okay, okay, so this is our header that we are going to make, and this is the code. By using these codes we have just, this is so simple. And what are these classes? So we are going to decorate all these things. So now this is just a simple structure of our website. We need to decorate and style our page. So we are going to work on .css later, or maybe we can work now. Okay, let's try. So we have a lot of thing here. So let's go to our CSS file and let's start. So this star means for the whole, like for every every element in our website. Okay, so margin left is going to be auto. Okay, and margin right is also going to be auto. Okay, and now yes, and now we are going to work on header. Our first class, that is selector, is header. So dot header. Okay, dot header. I just need to make its width as 1024 pixels, and then float, I am going to make it float to left. Okay, I want my image to float to left. And border top, so the border on the top, I want it to be 7 pixels, and it should be solid. And let's make its color, this is actually one color that I have already used, so I know. And then the background color is, so background is going to be this. Okay, so let's see if it's connected correctly or not. So see, so this is how we have got. So background, so this is the color, this blue color, can you see here? So this is this color, and the border is same. The border top, so can you see this blue color? So this is the border top. Okay, and 7 pixels solid, and this, so I can just make it more thicker when I save and refresh. So it's a little bit more thicker, this border. Okay, okay. So this is how we are going to style our page. So I was thinking to make for I was thinking that to we should make our web page first and then decorate, but it's better we do both the things together. Okay, because if I just make the whole page first, then it will be bit like I am going to be confused that which header I was using this and what was my plan. So it's better we keep doing our styles together. So now header is done, and now we have left header. Okay, and then we have header right. Okay, so let's do for our left header. Okay, so header left. Let me just check the name if it's correct or not. Header left, yes, header left is correct. Okay, yeah. So what we want its width. Okay, and its width is 250 pixels, and I want it to float. Let me just write it properly, and I want it to float to left. Okay, okay, and now header left, and now I like on the header left class, I want its child, that is unlisted, unordered list. Okay, and let me see what else I have. I have header left, header right. Well, yeah, so this unlisted is in header right, so I have to use this, copy and paste. That is what I was thinking, that I have header right and not in header left. So header right. Okay, and its size is going to be different. Let's make it different, 7 and float to left. Okay, yeah, so let me just save and see. So now I have all my lists on the left side, float to left. Okay, and width and all things I have given here. Fine. And now I have to, decorate the child of our header right. Okay, so here in list, so list style, we have list style. Okay, so list style, I want none for now. Okay, because we are going to do a lot of things. But and now here let me see what else we have here. Li list item. So in unordered list, the list item, okay, the list item should be list style should be none, and font, well, font family is going to be Arial, which is very common because this is the name I can remember. And then font size, let's try font size, and let's make it 15 pixels. Okay, and we need padding. Let's make padding, and padding, let's try this, 5 pixels, 0 pixels, 15 pixels, and this is also 0 pixels. Okay, and let's do the margin. You know what margin is? Margin is like the distance, the distance between border and the like the end of your website. Okay, and then margin, let's this is right. Okay, and let's make it 12 pixels. Okay, and then I want it to float to left. Okay, I want everything to font like float to left. And font weight means it will just change the thickness, so I want it to be bold. So now let's see if it's working properly. We need a lot of things. We are not completed yet. We need to do a lot of things here. And let me just check if I'm oh yeah, because I am doing everything in left. Yeah, because we need to work on, yeah, so I don't have anything in header left, right? So now we have all these things here, right? So all are floating on left. Okay, but see, so see, I have here 0 pixels, so that's why we don't have any distance between these tags, like these links. Okay, we are going to do more, you'll see. And now we have here, what else we have class, and we have list item, and then we have anchor. So now we have to decorate our anchor, we have to style our anchor. So yeah, so we have to decorate our anchor, so I'll just copy and paste. And instead of, so now in header right, this is unlisted. Okay, unlisted child is listed, like list item, and list item has an anchor tag. Okay, so this is actually child. Okay, so what we are going to do, I'm going to just erase all these. Okay, so here I'm going to add padding. So in padding, let's try 5 pixels, 30 pixels, okay, 10 pixels. And let's go to our margin. Okay, so for a margin we are using 2 pixels, 0 pixels, and 5 pixels. Now text decoration. Okay, So now we are going to, so we don't need any text decoration. So leave it. What color do you want your text to be of? So it's like black. Okay. So let's see. And now we have all my, like all my tags on the top, and we have separated them. Okay. Understood? Fine. So now we have to work a little bit more here. We have to work on our list that when we hover over it, it should change color. Right now it's just changing the pointer. We want it to change the color also. So what I'll do, I'll just copy and paste and delete all these. No, I need, but yeah, color, that's, leave it. And here hover, I want all these things. When I hover over this tag, so color should be, let's try color, let's try this color and refresh. And now see, so now when I take my pointer to these things, so now they are changing the color. Okay, so now they are changing colors. Okay. So let's move on. So now we have decorated everything whatever we have on our web page. So I don't think I need anything else to decorate here. This is fine as of now for header. Now let's move on. So after header, we have a lot of coding to do here. So because we are making the full page, full web page. So now this is going to be the slider. Okay, so I'll just comment it here. Slider. And div tag, I am going to do everything in div, and here I am taking another tag as slider. Okay, and inside this I have another tag. Okay, and here I have slider links. Slider link. Okay, great. And inside it I am going to have a link. Okay, and for now I don't have anything, so I'll just write this. Okay, and here I'm going to write top courses. It's okay, I'll add the link later. And then we are going to add another tag, another anchor tag here. Okay, this is for basically an enroll. Okay, what else can we do here? That's all, I guess. And then div. Okay, we have closed both the tags now. Okay, save and refresh. So we have this here. Okay, top courses and enroll here. Okay, Okay, so here in top courses, I can, add this link. Where is my courses link? Yeah, here, this one. So I can just add this whole thing. Copy and inside paste. So save and refresh. So when I click on top courses, it will go to the courses page on Dhruvon. And for enrollment, I have all these things here. Okay, I'll add the link later for enrollment. Okay, yeah. So that's all. So now let's decorate. Let's style our so let's style our slider, and this is end of slider. Okay, okay, so let's move on. This is for slider, so that you people, when you later see these codes, so you should know that what is happening where and when and for what, basically. Okay, so now slider. Okay, for slider I want width 1024 pixels. Okay, and background URL, we are going to have a background image. Okay, and that is going to be slider bg.jpg. I have this here, this one. Okay, okay, so let's save and let's see if, yeah, so we have got it. So I have just given the width, I have not given the height, so that's why it's not coming there. Okay, so let's move on. For the now I'm going to add height, and let's make it to 93 pixels. Okay, and float it to left, float left, save. And when I refresh, so now its size is changed, and here I have my courses and enrollment. So I am going to move them from this place. Okay, so let's do that. Dot slider links. Let me see if I have used links or link. This is links. Okay, so links here, and I want its font family. I want its font family to be Arial. Okay, and we have I guess Arial, we have which like we have used Arial, right? It will work here. That's okay. So if you are not sure that your browser will support this Arial, so you can give different, you can give different fonts, so that whichever they find first, that font will work here. We have one more, Helvetica. It's something called Helvetica. Okay, and then this is very common, sans serif. That's all for now. Okay, so if it does not find this font, it will go to this, and if they do not find this one, they will use this one. Okay, this font. And now I want padding. Padding is going to be 145 pixels and 20 pixels and 50 pixels. Okay, let's save and refresh. So now we have got it. So this is all because of padding. Okay, I have used this. Now let's work on these links. Okay, I have to work on link now, these links. So I need to change the font and color and everything. And when I when I hover over it, it should change color, the same thing. Okay, so I'll just copy and paste. Oh, paste. And under links I have anchor tag. So anchor is basically, it is basically the child of, just give me a second, I'll just delete this one, child of our class link. Okay, basically banner link. So now I want to change the font size because it's too small. Let's change it to just make it 28 pixels. Okay. And padding we already have, so we can just change padding. Let's make it 0 and 20 pixels. Okay, it will work. And after padding, we need to text, we need to, decoration is not needed, so I'll just change color, and this color is going to be and I want it to be bold. So font weight, let's make it bold. Or you can do it by like you can just give the number, I'll just give it 700. Okay, and save. And when I refresh, so now we have this. Okay, so this is white color, the padding, and the 700 is the weight. So when I am hovering over it, it's not changing any color, right? So how to change its color? The same way we have done for our these links. So same thing we are going to do here, because this is on anchor, we are going to, like, we are working on anchor. So I'll just delete all these inside it and colon hover. Okay, and I'll just copy from here just the color, but I can change the color. Okay, we can change the color. So which color do you want? Maybe black, or let's try changing some values here. Okay, and let's see which color we are getting. So it's something from blue family. So this is like light blue, this is kind of dark blue. Let's try something. So it's green now. Okay, so if you want, it's like you can just experiment with these codes. So whichever color you like, you can use that. Or let's try red, red, green, blue, right? So 2 2, and we need one more 0. Let's see what color will this be. So it's kind of black. Okay, let's make it 1. You can just play with the colors. So it's also kind of black. Okay, so it's kind of blackish green. So you can just change. Okay, you just play with these colors. Okay, and just try something with them. Okay, I just messed up the code, but that's okay. This will give some color. So now we are back to our blue family. Okay, fine, blue color family. So we are done with this. Okay, so we have made our header, we have made our like slider. Okay, so this is just the end of our slider. I'll just comment it out here. End. Okay, good. Okay, after this we have just made this much, see. Okay, and we have done, just let me just show you the size of the coding. That's it. Most of the things I have just copied and pasted, and I have just changed some values and things. That's it. Okay, everything is same. And here I'll just, if I just decrease the size, so see this. This looks very like what things we have done, but nothing. I have just used these links. That is just I just copied these links, and I have just used so I have just used this code how many times? 6 times. That's it. And I have used div code a lot of times. See, and again I have used anchor tag. See, so like we are using same tags many times and using them for our benefit, and like we are just decorating all these things whatever we are putting on our web page. That's it. There is nothing like difficult or nothing new here. We are doing the same thing. We are doing very basic things here. Okay, so we have done with our menu. We are done with our this banner thing. Okay, slider. And now let's start with our content. Okay, so content, I'll just increase the size. Okay, so here in content I am making another div so that I can like style my content properly. Okay, so class content is here. You can use different images. I have these images. I just got the Dhruvon's image. I got this from internet. Okay, this banner, so I just got this. So you can use like you can use different banners and different images for your website. Okay, you can use different colors. All these things that you see on the web page, you can like you can edit everything here. You can just change this blue color also. Okay, so it's nothing that like here nothing is static. You can change everything. So we were working on our content part. Okay, and inside this we are making another div tag, and the is going to be the we have the content header, right? We need content header, or maybe head, you can name anything. And this is going to be, I'll write here, this is going to be welcome to the welcome to Dhruvon. Okay, so that should be the link of my web page. Okay, so Dhruvon's web page is here. I am going to use this. See, you can see I'm just copying and pasting everything. So I'll just copy, and instead of writing that again, I'm just copying it. Okay, so I want that welcome to, there is going to be a link. Okay, and I am writing there Dhruvon. Okay, this is going to be the link. Dhruvon. Okay, and now when I save, and let me see if I need to end something. Yes, I need to end div tags, div, and let me end this first div tag also, so that I don't have to worry about it and I can change everything later. And when I refresh, so now I have got welcome to here. Welcome to Dhruvon is link now. And when I click on this link, so it will take me to my Dhruvon website. Okay, web page. So this is just the welcome page, and inside it I am using another div, and its class is going to be content left. Like what will be the content on left side. Okay, and inside it I am having div and class. So let's, okay, and let's make it clear. Okay, so this class name is clear, and here I am using another div tag. Okay, and inside this div tag I am going to have like, okay, I am going to copy this. And this, okay, I need to break all these things. Okay, so I'll write break so that everything comes in new line. Let me check. Okay, okay, so this is just the content I am adding to it. Okay, and let me just close this. div. Save and let's refresh. So this is my content, and and wherever I put I had put a break, so it's just breaking at that point. Okay, where else I need to use break? Let me just use these things here. Let me just bring everything. Okay, do I need more breaks? Let's break it from here. And here also I have, well, let's remove this break. Paste. Okay, and do I have any? Yeah, so cut and paste. Yeah, I guess this should be it. Save and refresh. So now it's the content. Okay, fine. So my content is here. Okay, let me just put it inside div tag so that you know that I like these are inside this tag, this div tag. Okay, this is our basically the this is just the content, and this was the content left, and we need content right, and this is this, and this is this tags end. Okay, and we have not ended our content left yet, right? We have let me just I have so many divs here. So link is closed. Now I have div left this. Okay, and I have div clear. So this is okay. That's fine. So I need content left now, right? So we need content left. So now this is content clear. Oh, I'm getting confused between so many divs. So let me just clear it out. Okay. Fine, fine. We are good. Now we are going to use content right side. So we need content right? So we need the content on the right side. So let's work on it. So on right, I need image. I want image. So image is going to be this image I already have. Okay, and I want its width. I want its width to be 440. Okay, this is not, we use equal to here. Okay, and width we can use height. So height is going to be 230. You can use any, and then I am just closing this tag, this div tag, and let's refresh and see. So we have this image here. Okay, this is what we wanted. Okay, this is the size and all the things. Okay, let me just put it a little bit here so that I do not get confused between div tags again. Okay, so we have added this image on the right side, okay, for the right content. So we are going to use styles to put it on the like right side. Okay, okay, so let's decorate, let's style this much for now. Okay, we have a lot of thing to do now. So we are going to continue our developing our web page in our next class. Okay, so let's do the designing. So what are the classes I have here? I have content. So let's start working on, okay, content. Yeah, content. So for content, I want width. Okay, so width, I want this pixels, and height, let's make it like auto. Okay, spelling is wrong, auto. Okay, and height is auto. Then let's make its border. Okay, so border size, let's make it 5 pixels so it is noticeable, and make it solid, and let's make it size like color this. Okay, and bottom padding, bottom. Okay, so padding, let's make it 20 pixels, and save and refresh. So now I'm sorry. So can you see here this? Okay, this gray thing, so this is the padding. Let's change a little bit. Let's make it FF and save and refresh. So now it's kind of pink. Okay, let me make it 0 so that so now do you see this black color? So this is the padding. Basically this is the border of content. See, this is the border of content. So now it looks like like unoriented. So we are going to like oriented by using styles, and this is 20 pixels, the padding. See this padding bottom. So bottom padding we have done for 20 pixels. Okay, okay. So this is our content. So now let's work on content left. Content left. Okay, so on content left, we also for this also we have width, so make it 450 as width, or height is going to be auto. Okay, okay, height is going to be like auto, and let's change it, and we are going to float it to left, and let's do the padding, and padding let's change it to 0 pixels and 20 pixels. Okay, and text align should be justified. Okay, justify, and then let's use line height, and let's make it 20 pixels. Okay, so now just save and refresh, and now this is how we are getting. So my text is here now. The length, the height of my lines are 20. What did I give? I just forgot. 20 pixels, right? The height lines, like lines height, if I make it 30, save and refresh, so now these are like more, the height between these lines are more. We have not worked for welcome to Dhruvon yet, so that's why it's on the top. Okay, so let's work. So this is done. Now let's work on content right. Content right. For content right, let's make it 440, and height make it, let's change the padding 0 pixels, and let's make it 60 pixels. Okay, okay, we don't need this for now. And when I save and refresh, now, yeah, so you can see this is like differently, like little bit separate. Okay, so now what's left? Content. Let me see what else we have done. We have done content left and content right. That's it. Okay, yeah, so that's all for today. Okay, so we are going to continue our website tomorrow because it is going to take like a few hours, because we are doing everything from scratch, and we are going to make a full-fledged web page. So we are just yet here, so we have to add many images here, and we have to decorate everything, we have to style everything. So till then, like I want all of you to use all these codes and make your own, make your own page, and use different different images, different links. Okay, here I have used links from our Dhruvon website, so it's better you like either you can use any links from internet, or you make different pages for different, like this is home. For home, you make different web page and link it here on your main page. Okay, so for today, just do everything what we have done in like today's class, and use different images, different text and everything, and try to play with all the settings in CSS. Okay, so I have used these colors, these setting. You can just change all the settings according to yourself, whatever works for you, and try basically like play with all the settings, play with the values, play with all these things, and then you will get to know that what kind of style you like for your web page. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Keep practicing, keep working on yourself, and keep increasing your like keep upskilling yourself. Okay, okay, everyone, take care. Bye. Okay, if you have any doubts, I need to ask the doubts. So, do you have any doubts till here, whatever we have done till now? Do you have any doubts? If you have any doubts, just write down in the chat and I'm going to clear it out. Otherwise, we are going to continue our web page tomorrow in like in our class at same time, 6 p.m. in evening, like in evening 6. Any doubts? Okay, take care, everyone.